Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be discussing a summer makeup routine allowing me to stay light and glowy all summer long. But first, skincare. To start off with, I'm going to be showing you my e.l.f. primer, which has blemish control, which is awesome to help prevent more acne breakouts. And then following my e.l.f. primer, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my brows. I for sure am not a brows kind of gal, but I think today my brows turned out pretty okay, so I'm pretty excited about that. Next, I'm going to be using my brow dip powder in the shade Espresso to fill in those sparse hairs to make my brows look nice and full. And I'm currently using the e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush to fill in my brows. Moving on to concealer, I absolutely love this concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Toast. This concealer helps even out my skin tone, allowing for a nice smooth and balanced look by the end. Using this sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend in and even out all this concealer across my skin. Now it's time to go ahead and switch over to my next concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Eraser in the shade Hazelnut. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend in that concealer. So now we have powder, and I love using the Maybelline Fit Me 360, which is the shade Mocha, with the matte / poreless normal to oily collection. To help blend in all that powder, I like to use my e.l.f. mineral powder brush all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick and light highlight with the LA Colors bronzer in the shade Bronze. So now I'm going to go ahead and use some Vaseline to rub around my lips. And yes, I did say Vaseline. I'm just going to go ahead and for today use it as a replacement for my chapstick. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead again with that brush and powder and rub it around my lip area. That way I can make sure that it's all even and smooth even after using the Vaseline. I'm currently using a clear brow gel from Ulta just to keep those brows in place. One of my personal favorites, mascara. I love using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara where I can find it conveniently and inexpensively at my local drugstore. Just to make sure that my mascara did turn out all right, I'm just going to use this little handheld mirror. While doing that, I did notice that I did need a little bit more Vaseline on my lips, so I went ahead and added it. Please go ahead and ignore the obvious black mascara stains on my fingers from earlier. And last setting spray. And here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed my summer makeup routine. Just don't forget to subscribe and check out my socials shown right here, as well as linked down below. Hit the bell to be notified of my next video. And until next time, catch you guys on the flip side. Bye, guys.